Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and springtime is here. And if you have a lot of weeding to do, or you have weeds popping up in your grass, and you need to check this out. This is a 2-in-1 weeder rake, but adjustable handle. So this here, I have it all the way maxed out, but you can unscrew these if you wanted to make it shorter, but at its max length, you're gonna have about 61 inches, which is really nice. I'm about 6 foot. So this makes it a little bit easier on my back to get these weeds. You can see here, I have a weed, but you do get a 6-prong weed rake plus this 2-in-1 like saw to get into crevices. So let's say you have pavers and you have weeds growing up between the pavers. You could use this single blade here to scrape out those weeds too as well. But it's as simple as just finding the weed and pulling it out. So there you have it. Look at that. I didn't have to bend over. I got that weed out, and then I can just toss this into the can. And it's super strong, very durable, very minimal flexing when using this. You can see here, I just got another weed. So I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a weeder and you don't want to break your back to bend over all the time, definitely check this one out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.